Hello, little artists! Today, we are going to draw a beautiful house with a ladder and staircase to celebrate New Year 2026.
Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub.
First, take your black marker. Write Happy New Year at the top center of the page. Now, draw the roof of the house just below the text. Great! Inside the roof, write 2026, nice and big.
La da 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 dee.
Now, let's draw a ladder on the left side of the roof. Draw 2 long lines and add small steps from the ground up to the roof. Awesome! Now, draw the walls of the house under the roof. Let's draw a staircase in front of the house going up to the door. Now, draw a door in the middle. Draw a window on one side and a small window on top of it. Great work! Now draw a tree beside the house. Let's draw some clouds in the sky. And a smiling sun hiding behind the clouds. Nice job, everyone! Our drawing is complete. Now make the outline bold and sharp to make the artwork pop. Looking awesome, isn't it?
Yay!
Now it's time to color. Show your color pens. We will use rainbow colors. Red color.
Wow!
Orange color. Yellow color. Green color. Blue color. Purple color. Pink color. brown color. Cream color.
La da 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 dee.
Awesome coloring! Great job, little artists! If you enjoyed drawing with us, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Toddlers Art Hub. See you in the next fun drawing. Bye-bye!
Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.